I need some water for the garden. I know just who can help. Yoo-hoo!
Yes, darling? Hold on, dear, I can't hear you. I have to open the window.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your tubage. I said, Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your tubage.
Oh, okay.
And if you feel naughty, show me some boobage. Oh.
This is a fresh take on a new fairy tale. Or an old take on a... What's what I'm trying to say? An old fairy tale with a fresh take.
Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your tubage. And if you feel naughty, show me some.
So what we're doing is we're siphoning the water from our bathtub and then taking it down below into the bucket.
And the change in relative potential energy. Yeah, height. Try not to suck in a mouthful of bathwater. I will first.
We're using, and what kinds of soaps are we using?
Just to make sure it's clear.
Yeah?
Well, you should use
biodegradable. Yeah.
We should research to make sure they're totally safe, but we don't use a lot.
We don't use a lot of soap, but this could be a natural deterrent for the pests as well. And there you go. Basically, start the flow. And we've also discovered that if you put the bucket out further, it runs better. And what we've got in the tub is we've got this little cement mold, and we put around the hose. We measured the hose size and the length of the hose, and we put it through there, and it holds it under, and it'll suck all the water out of the tub down to about an inch.
Yeah, the convenient thing about old terracotta molds, they often have hoods inside, perfect for a tube.
And what's great is we get 3 big pails of that, and when we're in stage 3 or stage 4 water consumption, conservation, every little bit helps. So we water around the yard. Eventually, we'd just like to have a gray water system, but until then, this works, and I feel like we're doing our part.
When you have a tub above, you can just put on a diversion to your plumbing at the drain, which will eventually do it. Actually have a little tap on the side of the house. Bye!